Hey everyone, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing the makeup bingo challenge and I'm going to be using the Morphe x James Charles palette with all of these colors. So the way that this challenge works is I use a number generator to choose 5 shades from this palette and I use those colors to create a look. I might allow myself to use an extra shade as a transition or highlight, but we will see what colors I get. So this top shade right here is going to be 1, and I'll just go 1 through 8, 9 through the rest, you know what I mean? Alright, so let's start generating numbers. So I have my generator on my phone right here. I hope you can see it. So the first number that we got is 15, so let's see what shade that is. So our first shade is this shade right here. Just gonna do a swatch of that real quick. Here's our first shade, and this is Boutique. Alright, let's pick our next shade. I got 10, so let's see which one that is. So 10 is this shade right here, which is Sister. So I will swatch that here next to Boutique. So far we've got some pretty neutral colors. Here's what we got to start. Next we got shade 29, so let's see which one that is. So our next shade is Artistry right here. I'll go ahead and swatch that as well. Ew, I forgot that other shade was there, so I'm gonna go wipe that off and swatch them all again. But anyways, Artistry. Here's what we got so far. I re-swatched them. We have Boutique, Sister, and Artistry. Now let's get into the next number. So my next number is 23. Let's see what color that is. So 23 is actually the black shade in the palette, which is called Spooky. So there's that shade. Maybe we'll use that for a liner or a smoky eye. Alright, and the last shade. We got 21. Okay, so the last shade that we have here is 21, which is the shade 10% off. So we have Boutique, Sister, Artistry, Spooky, and 10% off. Let's see what we can create with this. So I have already primed my eyelids with the eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to take a fluffy brush in the shade 10% off and use this as my transition. Next, I'm going to take the shade Boutique and use this in the outer corner and crease. I'm going to take the fluffy brush again and blend this together. No additional product. Next, I'm going to use my finger to apply the shade Sister. And I'm putting this all over the lid. I'm not really sure if this is going to work, but I'm going to use the shade Artistry on my lower lash line. I'm going to take a little bit of Boutique on the very outer corner, just to kind of connect these a little bit. And the last shade I have not used yet is Spooky, so I'm just going to put this on the upper lash line, mainly on the outer part of the eye. I'm going to take the shade I had the Boutique shade on and just kind of blend a little bit. For the inner corner, I am going to apply the shade Sister. I will probably add a little bit of ring light on top of this, but for the sake of the video, I just thought I'd show you what this looks like with just the 5 shades exactly. Just adding a little bit of ring light. And the last step is to apply mascara. I'm gonna do my lower lash line off camera and I'll be back. Here is the finished look. So for a few final thoughts, I think this look turned out pretty good. I may not put the purple shade on the lower lash line, but I do think I got pretty lucky for the most part because all of the colors went together pretty well. I think it's fun to do this challenge with this palette in particular because what's a better way to get creative than to use the Unleash Your Inner Artist palette? So anyways, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see me do another one of these videos, let me know if you'd like to see me do this with the same palette or with a different palette, or what would you have done with these colors? I would like to know. I always am looking for inspiration. So anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!